It's video time. You guys remember that? That was from MTV. Video. All right. Way before. So Caleb is doing the ever so popular suburban Yukon Silverado. I can't tell you how many driver's side lower door hinge, passenger lower door hinge, and driver's side motor mounts and manifolds on these type of vehicles. So Caleb, I showed him the way that I do it so he can be efficiently and effective at doing body shop type repairs. So on this lift here, he's just using a jack. When I do them, I use a drive on and I strap the upper part of the door to the overhead bar and use a jack at the same time. So he did this all by himself. It's really not that bad once you see the tricks.
The hardest part is prying the new door hinge open.
Yeah, is muscling through, the 600-pound spring probably, or whatever the pressure is. But they don't lubricate these well when you get these, even aftermarket or factory. So
I stuck a little bit of grease. I'm gonna get more.
You gotta get more on that roller part.
I'm gonna get
because
more
anything aftermarket is garbage, and we don't want it to fail within the next year or two. You figured, you're in and out the door every day, and it looks like someone tried lubricating it, but it was way past its regular maintenance procedure. You used to be able to go in for service and the mechanic would do that part of your maintenance inspection and check. I only do it if I hear it, but it's not free for wheel bearing grease, time for you to do it.
Yeah.
It's not free. They used to do it, but I don't even think dealerships do it. Did you do that at Ford? Nobody's doing it anymore. So if you come up with a squeaky door, I'll grease it, but I'm going to tell you need a door hinge or whatever.
The only door-related thing I did over there was the recall for the new Escapes because their check arms were delaminating.
Yeah, and that's stuff that you guys wanted us to start doing here. I mean, we can.
No, I never said that. I said there's no point in us doing it here.
Well, if the customer doesn't take it for a recall, and they don't want to go through the hassle of taking it there and waiting 2 or 3 weeks. Most people.
Same day.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
At that dealership, it may have been same day, but other dealerships, you don't know what. Just like today at Meineke, you can get in and out right now, and then other Meineke shops you probably can't, and vice versa for us. But since Caleb, they trained him in the body repair, and Caleb, told me how to do it, so we could offer it. I'm sure we're going to see it here in the used car.
Well, we've already saw 2 or 3 of them.
2 retail customers.
Well, and Danny had one too.
3. So 3 of those vehicles that body was coming unlaminated for stuff that we could do here. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. Caleb's got the new hinge in. He's going to get ready to slam it back in. Yep. We don't paint these, although we could. Depends on the customer. By the time we see these cars, the wheels are jacked off. There's paint chips and scratches everywhere.
For an extra $100?
I'd have to degrease it.
Yeah.
Right? And paint it, and then put it in, and then fix whatever we scratch because it's a tight area. Or just degrease it, spray over it, and hope for the best, and then worry about our lubricant failing. So it's kind of better, just in my opinion, leave it in raw material. Because it's like a galvanized finish on it.
Yeah, this doesn't rust.
It'll hold up. Customer will know for a fact we put a new one in, that's for sure. All right, guys, thanks for watching.